everyone. Today is an exciting day as we've got the behind the scenes tour, which someone is so excited for, so I'll bring you along for that and show you what I can do. It wasn't too expensive. I think it's about $39 per person, so about £29 I think it was, and then it's an hour tour all about living with the land. So yeah, I'll bring you with us for that. Busy this morning. There's not a cloud in the sky. Oh, well, there's a tiny cloud there actually, I'm lying. Here we go. We're hopefully going to be going on test track first thing. That's what our lightning lane is for. So yeah, excited. How long has it been since you've been on test track? You're steamed up. It's been over 5 years since you've been on test track, hasn't it? Yeah, because we last came on it in 2019 and now it's reimagined. So we'll see. Here we go. We have missed early entry, but we weren't trying to go for that this morning. We were quite tired. Whoa. But here we are. Test track time. Remy's is down currently and Frozen's down. Guardians is 65, test track 65. So behind the scenes 0. Yeah, that's where we're going. Oh gosh, it's really bright this morning. So we got through very quick on lightning lane, but you don't create your car anymore. Are you sad?
Ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a bit sad that. It's just like
creating a wagon.
Creating a wagon, yeah. It's a bit sad. That nice. They're big cars, aren't they?
That's got to be better.
Thoughts on the new test track? We're sad about there's no creation of a car, but it was completely different inside. It's a good ride. You only have a lap belt if you're in the middle seat though, just a heads up. Didn't make any difference, but just so you know. You ready to try the best drink ever, Beverly? Beverly? Here we go. There we go, let's give these a try. There you go. I'm gonna try this one, the Philippine one.
Try that one.
Put him?
Try Beverly.
No, you can try it.
So thank you. I'll try this one with you. Moldova. Oh.
Beverly.
Russia's brightest cucumber.
Beverly wasn't good, was it? We know it's not good. Don't know why we do it to ourselves each time, but we're going to go in the creation shops while it's quieter. Well, I say while it's quieter, we'll see. I'm just going to have a little snack. Little pit stop before the tour. So we've just had a chocolate croissant and we're waiting to go check in for the tour. Very excited. Living with the land. Living with the land. So you just check in there and the exit's here. So we've checked in 15 minutes prior to our start time. So you go through the exit store, and I think I'll have to put you away though because we're going backstage. So I'm just going to do a voiceover for the next few clips just so you can hear about the tour and how we found it, what we enjoyed the most. So as you can see, they give you a little pack where you've got headphones so you can listen in to your cast member who is telling you all of the different things about all the different areas that you'll see. And as you can see, as we'll go through the video, we got to go backstage. We were also on the section, obviously, with the Living with the Land. You can see the boats going past, which was really cool. We really felt like VIPs. There was a really fun bit near the start where they actually gave us some cucumber to try that was grown in the land. And our cast member explained to us how across Disney property, food that is, harvested in this section is used across the Disney World property, which is amazing. My partner was laughing at me during this because I'm not a big cucumber fan normally, but I thought I've got to give it a try and see what it's like. So we were just given one on a cocktail stick. You can see that I did enjoy it. It was nice, but one slice was definitely enough. Whilst we were there as well, the cast member was also explaining the different types of bins that they have in there and how certain doors have to be open and closed. It is really hot in there. We booked the earliest tour time, which I think might be 10:30. But yes, I would definitely recommend booking the earliest time you can, because it gets really hot in the greenhouse. But yeah, everywhere you looked was just so interesting because stuff was just growing. It has notes of how long it's been there, when it's ready, to be used. It was really cool, and they were growing so many different things. They had obviously like tomatoes, strawberries, but then they had, as you've seen there, a coffee tree, lots of different things, big watermelons, as you can see. And whilst you're on this tour, the boats are just going past and just looking in. And I know I've been on one of those boats thinking, oh, what are they doing there? And it is a really fun tour. It is only, it is an hour long, the tour, and you're on your feet the whole time of the tour, seeing things, listening to information. It is really interesting. I won't tell you all of the facts in case you want to do the tour yourself, but what I will say is these cast members know their stuff. They know all the facts. They take you to all these different areas and give you just that behind the scenes information whilst being behind the scenes on the tour. And it was just really cool to see. And even places like the way you're seeing at the moment, where it's all red, you got to see everything up close, which was just amazing. And yeah, we really enjoyed the tour, and I would 100% recommend doing it again and in the future. So we've just finished the tour, and it was exactly an hour. It was really informative, really good, hot in the greenhouses, so I'm glad I booked the earliest tour at 10:30. I imagine at lunchtime or later on in the day it gets even hotter. But fantastic tour, and like I said before, I think it's about £34. Oh, thank you. Mine. Thank you. Thank you. When you come out of Nemo's, you come out to here. Manatees eating. It's eating lettuce. I wonder if it's from the land. Probably. Nemo.
Well, it's not interactive. The stuff is just moving.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy, isn't it? I've never seen one that big.
It's like that plant when you touch that. That is massive. It's a big stingray. I don't think it does it justice on the camera, but it's massive.
Oh, there's a stingray, baby. Right here, there's a stingray.
Got some poutine, got the traditional and the braised beef one. I don't know how I managed to get this and Remy. I think it's because it was an early one. This way. Lightning lane. Thank you. Here we go. 45 minutes. Let's see how long it takes us. It is 12:47. Right, we are in line and it's 12:51, so that was 4 minutes instead of 45. That's great. And it's got great aircon in here. That was 4 minutes instead of 45. You guys, it's hot today. Really hot, really muggy, so we're going into each country to go in the shops.
I've seen any turtles yet, which is really...
No, we haven't seen any turtles. Did you see any at the boardwalk?
No.
You did last year. Minifigures. If you need good aircon, the American Pavilion, the loos, and in here it's the best, isn't it the best?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Let's go to Remy's. Remy's Ratatouille. This wasn't open this morning. Ready for some aircon. So it's 1:36. It's only a 45-minute wait. Let's see how long we wait for. We're going to try the viral sandwich, the brioche sandwich. I think we're each going to have one. It's good. It's good. Yum. Now we're all going to go for it.
And let's have vanilla and caramel.
How are you?
That's fine.
Fine, you can't try any of mine.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that looks delicious.
It is good, isn't it? Like a Mickey. Just a little nibble. I didn't get to the ice cream. So what's in yours? Vanilla and caramel. You've just said yours is delicious. You wish you had one before now. Let me try. Oh, look at that. Let's give it a try. That's nice. Not the best angle, but look at this guy.
What was that?
Yeah, yours is really nice. Caramel.
Look at it inside
That.
the face.
I thought I did as well.
You want a snack or you want food?
But look at that.
Okay.
How was your snack? Out of 10?
7.
Oh. Mine was very nice, although it is quite messy if you don't eat the sides. I just ate all the way through it. But it was really, really good. They're not cheap, but they were nice. How's give me away? Huh? Look at me. Hello. Absolutely told him. Go on in that puddle, I do. That one there.
Where?
There.
Oh, that's it.